This string trimmer is a part of the Poulan Pro 40-volt battery family of tools. It gives you the power and performance you need to help you get your yard work done faster. Thanks to the smart Poulan Pro battery system, you can use the same battery for several tools and tasks. Easy and convenient. The instant start gets you going in no time. No hassle with gas, oil, or difficulty with pull starters. The design has been carefully developed to give you maximum comfort while doing the hard work. The powerful performance will have you well prepared for the toughest tasks, while also giving you the versatility for precision work when needed. The quiet power gives you a great experience while minimizing the impact on others. In short, it proudly lives up to the Poulan Pro promise, giving you the power to handle any yard and any task.